You wake up every morning feeling tired and you wonder why. Even after 8 hours of sleep, you're still sleepy and you have to fight through the day feeling fatigued, and you do and understand why. You go to bed early, sometimes even 90 minutes before your usual bedtime, but you wake up just as tired as any other morning. You try to fix it by getting more sleep, but it doesn't help. So what is really going on here? One thing that can mess up your sleep is using your phone or laptop right before bed. The blue light coming from these devices suppresses melatonin, which is the hormone that helps you sleep. Let me explain. When you use your phone or laptop, the blue light from the screen enters your eyes and hits your brain. This sends a signal to your brain that it's daytime and suppresses the production of melatonin, which is the hormone that helps you sleep. This can make it harder to fall asleep and also reduces the quality of your sleep. The worst part is that most people do this every night without even realizing it. They use their phones as alarms, and when they wake up, they start checking their notifications and emails. They get sucked into the vortex of social media and waste precious time that they could be using to rest and recharge. It's not just the blue light that can ruin your sleep. Eating sugar or caffeine late at night can also interfere with your sleep. The sugar high can make it hard to fall asleep, and caffeine has a half-life of 5 to 7 hours. Drinking it late in the evening means that it will still be in your system, keeping you up by the time you want to sleep. And let's not forget about the people who are constantly stressing out right before bed. Talking about work problems or relationship issues right before bed can make it harder to fall asleep. This is because the stress and the adrenaline rush can keep your brain active and alert. It's making it difficult to relax and go to sleep. But there is one simple solution that can help you fix all of this. Just 30 minutes before going to bed, put away all your screens and devices. This will allow your brain to produce melatonin and prepare your body for a good night's sleep. You can spend these 30 minutes doing something relaxing like reading a book, taking a warm bath, or stretching. So if you're someone who struggles to get a good night's sleep, try this trick for a week and see if it makes a difference. It might just be the change you need to feel more energized during the day. Now, if you want to take your sleep game to the next level, click the video on the screen now. If you're already a legend, go to the comment section and type "I fixed my sleep." See you tomorrow.